Here we'll be learning how we can be able to use AI. So starting, let us create a category and create our courses easily. So you learn and you come to the courses, you create categories. Then you add your courses there. So this is just a very simple example. Let's create a course. So we can create a course called social media. So we are using the power of social media marketing. Just create a course, give it some level of content. Then add a category. Then you can now add the price. So we want to choose dollar this time around. So just choose a dollar price, and then to tell you that the price will be converted into naira for you to pay for Nigerian users generally. So we can be able to now add the duration and create cost. So what we want to do now is to be able to see how we can then create lessons. The first step is to go to the modules. You can click on module. When you click on module, you are able to create list of your lessons. So you give it a module title, then you do that. Then you try and check if it's text or you want to use a video or whatever. Here's the text you're gonna. So let's see how we can use AI Studio to generate context for us. Now we kind of placing what we want the AI to be able to generate. I'm just writing details what you want the AI to generate. Then you actually give a title, then give the duration like the maybe 30 minutes or 20 minutes or thereabout. Now the next thing is once you are done writing what you want to descriptively what the AI should do for you, next is to click generate with AI. So once you click generate with AI, just give it some seconds and look at it. It's going to generate something for you and you can now edit it. You have to be the human in the loop to look at it. Or at this part, let me adjust and see how it best fits into what you're looking for. So once you look at that now, if you need to adjust anything, just look at it critically and just put into adjust and rephrase it for your own use case. Next is to just click click done. That is already added. So you've added one lesson already, and then next thing now is you want to add more. You follow the same process to add more. So you click on text or video, whatever it is, text. You write the content of what you want to generate. Right, give the title, then give it number of minutes you wanted to write it. So the next thing is to be able to just descriptively write the context which the AI should generate for you. So once you are done writing that descriptively, the next is to click on generate with AI. Once you click on generate with AI, it's going to generate a content for you, list of content for you. Then you can now be able to look at it and proofread it and see, okay, fine, this is what I need, this is what I don't need. This is not probably part of the scope of what I'm looking for. This is part of the scope of what I'm looking for. So that's exactly how that one works. So once you are able to do that, the next thing is to just you can click generate. All right, then we are able to have the AI generate something good for you. All right, so that's that part. So when do you have that to listen? So that is exactly how to create lessons using AI. Then you can use the same method to be able to create things like assignment. So to create assignment, you click on assignment, then you give the assignment a title, then you descriptively write what you want the assignments in context to be for the AI to generate. Or if it is a quiz, so this time around you are doing it for a quiz, You can just click the quiz and explain what the AI should generate for you. Then once you are done writing descriptively what the AI should generate for you, next step is to make sure you set the module you want the AI to use as a context. So the AI is going to use the title of your module also. So set the module. Modules are very important. Let the AI know what module is using. Then you can set the question number, like, okay, how many minutes I want to use, how many questions, what's the passing grade. You can set all of those things for the quiz. So just wait a little minute. Then click on can click on create quiz. Then wait a little minute. It will just pop up the AI feature for you to generate the quiz. Then you click on generate quiz. So when you click on generate quiz with AI, you can do that in the first place or in this place. In this place, you can just click on generate quiz. So AI is able to understand all the content you put there and is able to generate the quiz for you. So now you can see the quiz questions. It's something you can decide, okay, fine, this is fine for me, this is not fine for me. You can delete some, you can add some. When you are fine with everything, you can just click on add or done. Then it's going to add up all of these things to your quiz bank. So you can easily generate questions from your quiz bank too. And that is how you had quizzes, as easy as that. So you can go to the quiz tab and you see the quiz there. So if you want to add a thumbnail, you can easily add a thumbnail so that this color, this purplish color will not just show. You need to add a thumbnail, like a design thumbnail that is playing your course. So you just go to settings. Under settings, you're going to see a lot of things you can do. Part of what you can do is to upload your image. So you can upload your image, a design image like what I have here, then click on save. So when you click on save, it's able to save that. Then when people actually look at your course, they will be able to see the course with the thumbnail there. It's as easy as that. Thank you.